Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a good day. My name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. Today we're going to talk about oil and natural gas. Do our daily technical analysis update on it, and I'll give you my financial opinions on it. So let's dive right in. We've got crude oil behind me. This is still above the trend, and I think we're going to probably move back and forth for a little bit. We'll see what the overall markets does. Crude oil has been very resilient in the pullback of the sell everything um, stock market. A lot of commodities getting hit, lots of everything getting hit, stocks, everything. Carnage everywhere. Blood in the streets, right? Recession's coming. Oh no. But crude oil has been resilient and it's still being resilient. Natural gas also being resilient. Again, I'm going to be patient here and see what this thing does. Hopefully, we get a pullback on this and I can buy more of a couple of companies that I wanted to really lean into. Looking at XOP, yeah, you know me, basically flat today. We are sitting above breakout lines. This could pull back further with overall markets. We do have a couple of larger selling pressure candlesticks up here. Oil's been very resilient and natural gas has been resilient. We'll see if that continues and holds. SM Energy, small down day today. We do have some buyers down here, and we'll see if that holds. We'll see if that holds. Not crew. CDEV, hopefully we get back here. Maybe I'll buy a little bit more if we get set back that low. But this is a little bit of a wedge that is tightening up a little bit. We have broken down below it. Oil and natural gas has remained resilient, so this has been pretty resilient. Crew Energy, looks like we got a couple of buyers underneath here with these wicks. We'll see if that holds. Again, we got some momentum coming back down. We've got CPE right at support. We've got Athabasca Oil right at support coming up here. Recaf selling off a little bit more today. The overall markets are starting to weigh on absolutely everything. CPG right on support. We'll see if that holds. This is a battle, man. We've got some momentum coming down. It's coming back up, but we'll see. The overall markets are hitting everything. Northern Oil and Gas, basically flat. GTE right at support, just underneath support. Tellurian finding some support where it's at. We'll see if that holds. Pedevco moving sideways. Oasis moving sideways. CRK, come on, pull on back, baby. I want to buy more CRK. SD moving sideways. We've got Ring Energy getting a little bit more of a sell-off. A little wick at the bottom. That's looking, I don't know. Surge Energy getting a little bit of a sell-off with a little wick at the bottom. And these little wicks usually means that buyers came in at the end of the day. I can show you on the dailies. It kind of pops up a little bit more towards the end of the day like that. We've got Tamarack Valley getting a little bit of a sell-off today. We're still above all the support lines. Crescent Point going up today. Or Crescent Energy, I should say. Vermilion Energy, a little bit of a down day today. Meg Energy moving sideways right above its support area. There's the support. And we're right above it. Looking at the oil service stocks, I mean, this is a bullish hammer candlestick there, so we'll see if it can hold. It's looking better than the other ones. Another bullish hammer candlestick for Tetra Technologies. Rig's got, it's a medium, like a neutral candlestick. Looking at pump kind of starting to move sideways. We'll see if this falls lower or if the buyers step in and push it higher. EXTN kind of getting closer to support here. Valeris moving sideways, bullish hammer candlestick. Starting to get some hammer candlesticks in here. MRM, little down day. Tidewater just moving sideways. Deep sea drilling company. Tidewater. It shows up. There's Tidewater just moving sideways here. It looks like we're trying to find some form of equilibrium soon, hopefully. NEX still had this big, large down day there. We might have a little bit more downside in it. KLXC, small down day. Hopefully we come all the way back to here. I'd love to buy it down there. CHX, hammer candlestick down there. Cactus Energy, another one that's been moving sideways. Hopefully the buyers can hold it here. 9, small up day, bullish engulfing. Actually, it's looking better here. This has been moving sideways. Hasn't really gotten hit too bad. OII, Oceaneering, International bullish hammer candlestick right below this support area. So we'll see if that holds and comes back above the support. Noble Energy has an up day, so that's good. That's a hammer candlestick pattern, starting to look a lot better on a lot of these candlesticks. Another hammer candlestick for HLX. We got Petrofac, another one hammer candlestick, looking a little bit better. And then we've got Diamond Offshore with a hammer candlestick down here. So there's that, and then looks like a sea of red for the coal companies. But that's what I've got for today, guys. That's the oil and natural gas sector. The commodities themselves have held up pretty well. The companies themselves in energy service and in exploration and production, they have pulled back some. I do think there's an opportunity there. I think they're completely undervalued. I think that oil is going to have a problem very soon. So the overall markets are giving you an opportunity here to do what you want to do. That's what I think. And I'm not selling any of my stocks in any of these commodity companies. Why? Because I'm not afraid, and I've learned that I haven't held long enough. And in fact, I'm looking to purchase into these companies soon. If you want to know which companies I'm purchasing, when I'm buying them, I'm going to post that on my Finding Value website for the Platinum members. And that's for anything that I'm going to be purchasing. I haven't bought anything of any quantity yet, and I'm really waiting for the buyers to come in here and show me that we're going to go back up. So that's what I'm waiting for. And if you guys are aggressive, up to you on what you want to do. So I'm just kind of being conservative. I'm going to wait for some signals. Hopefully we can get some signals soon. Maybe even tomorrow or maybe next week or something like that. But I'm waiting. I'm looking for them. So that's what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys like the content. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the website, Platinum membership. And we'll catch you next time. This is Finding Value.